Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our mathematics class. We are dealing in class 8 equal triangles. And before we start our session, let us start with a prayer. Let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty God that we may be able to understand this lesson and we may also enjoy good health. Let us close our eyes and seek the blessings of the Lord. Yes, dear students, welcome back once again. Today we are going to deal with the two problems, and in the first video you will see one problem and in the second video you will see the second problem. So first of all, we are going to deal with the page 10. Before we start it, I just want you to remember about the lessons or the theorems or the principles that we learned in the previous class. We said that if the sides of a triangle are equal to the sides of another triangle, then they are equal. Their angles are also equal. This is what we have learned. If the sides of a triangle are equal to the sides of another triangle, then they are equal and their angles are also equal. This is said by Euclid, the mathematician. He says that these two triangles are congruent. Congruent means it is simply they are equal. So based on this principle, we are going to deal the page number 10 of your textbook, and you will see here a triangle. Triangle ABC, in which you will see AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm and AC is equal to 5 cm. When it is flipped means this is like this. You can see ABC as it is. When it is flipped, it is A, D, B also is there. Here it is given that the third side of both triangles is AB because it is flipped. And here, since the lengths of all three sides are equal, the angles must also be equal. That we have already learnt. Here we can see angle CAB. CAB is equal to angle DBA. Angle DBA. And angle CBA. Angle CBA is equal to angle DAB. Angle DAB. Now what we have to find is there. It is already given this much. And it is said, I have drawn the figures once again here. And the question is that BC is parallel to AD and AC is parallel to BD. Why so? Here you look at this picture. Here AC is equal to 5 cm and BD or DB is equal to 5 cm and they are equal. And here you will see AD is equal to 4 cm and BC is equal to 4 cm. Again, they are equal. So, here the question is that they are parallel. Now, what is the meaning of parallel? Here you will see, just see these two lines. They are two straight lines which is going straight with equal distance. So, they don't meet each other or they don't intersect each other. But for example, you see another figure going this way, two lines. There is a possibility that at the process of going, these lines may intersect on the other. So this is not a parallel lines. But here, these two lines are parallel. So here, now I want to bring your attention that AC is parallel to DB and AD is parallel to BC. Here we use this sign parallel. I hope you all know about this sign is used for parallel. BC is parallel to AD and AC is parallel to BD. Why so? Now we have to find out why they are parallel. know that and they become parallel if the alternative angles are equal, then they are parallel. Now we have to find out whether the alternative angles are equal or not. Now let us see here the side, let us see AC. Let us consider the side AC. And here the angle opposite to that AC is angle CBA. Angle CBA. I hope you understood. The side AC, let us consider the opposite angle of this side is CBA. Now we know AC is equal to BD. Now BC has the opposite angle as BCD. Angle BAD. This is BD, which is opposite to AC, and they are equal. BD. This is BD. BD has the opposite angle BAD, and we know that when these two sides AC is equal to BD, their opposite angles are also equal, which means angle CB, angle CBA is equal to angle BAD. These two are equal, which means we understood that the parallel lines in which alternative angles are equal. Therefore, we can say that AC is parallel to BD. Therefore, AC is parallel to BD. Now next, let us consider the side BC. Now when we take the side BC, the opposite angle is angle CAB. Angle CAB. And now let us see the side AD, which has the opposite angle, angle ABD. Angle ABD. Angle ABD. And we know that here BC is equal to AD, which means their angles are also equal. Here too we can find the alternative angles are equal. Hence, we can say that the question was why BC and AD are parallel or AC and BD are parallel. So, we have proved that the alternative angles are equal. Dear students, I suppose that you have understood this problem. Now, in the next session, we shall see the next problem. Thank you.